Calldrip, you can gather reviews and promote your happy customers by leveraging the power of Google. After each call, Calldrip automatically sends your customers to top review sites so they can share their feedback. This is a great way to build the buzz and show trust, letting your customers handle the promotion. Now, all your reviews are accessible in one review dashboard to see which conversations ultimately led to a review. By allowing your customers to leave reviews online, you build trust and social transparency for your business. To begin, visit app.calldrip.com and log into your Calldrip dashboard. Go into My Account on the left side of the screen, select Settings, and upload your company logo. Then, please upload profile pictures to all user profiles and add a brief description like the example on your screen. Once that is complete, please contact your Calldrip specialist to activate your Review Boost feature. If you have further questions, please click the chat icon at the bottom left of your screen and a support representative will get to you immediately. Thank you.